But what about your cell phone? What about your computer? What about something that we know that the cell phone doesn't have drugs inside of it, right? You're not going to be able to fit,
Right.
drugs inside for the most part. Nothing meaningful, at least. Computer doesn't have drugs inside. But what kind of contraband can they look for? Or what kind of evidence of a crime can they look for? And here is where the states and the circuits are all divided. And it's a free-for-all, quite frankly, at this point, because, for example, in New York, in the Second Circuit, there is no general law right now because there hasn't been a Second Circuit decision or a Supreme Court decision on what is the standard at this point.
Okay.
So, for example, a client coming into the country, or even, for example, leaving the country on an international trip, is subject to the border search exception. And an agent, a federal agent, could go ahead and say, give me your phone, tell me your password, and start looking through your phone. Now, most of the time, what they're looking for is child pornography. They're looking for child pornography, which is obviously illegal and should not be transported anywhere and is contraband.